Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're our Simple Adventures, and we are at the base of South Mountain here in South Phoenix, getting ready to tour this mystery castle. Woo! Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate.
Pretty unique deal. I guess it's going to be a guided tour too, so hopefully they'll allow us to film. Okay, they don't allow filming. He said just short clips, so I'm just going to get what I can here a little bit. Very cool. Wish I could film it. Incredible. These are, I forget what you call them, but these are bricks that turned out bad, and he basically got them for free for downtown Phoenix. Getting some film where I can. Crazy place. If you go back and look at the castle that's kind of similar to this, built in Colorado, I'll put that link in the description. Okay, this they used as a little kind of a wedding chapel here. The last wedding they had in here was just November of last year. Because apparently a lot of this rock came from the Grand Canyon. They got an organ in here.
No, the alligator and knight were actually brought into life.
Okay, what'd you think of the Mystery Castle?
It's weird.
Very weird.
It's very weird. It's hard to believe the lady lived it in 2010, about 2010.
After she passed away, the daughter passed away in 2010.
And lived up to that, like, except the last 3 months. She lived there nonstop.
Her dad started building it in 1930, and so anyway.
To look like a sand castle that he built with his daughter before he left them back in, was it Seattle, Washington? I think is where he left. It definitely looks better once you get past this. You get into the outside landing and see the inside rooms. It's still kind of weird, still strange, but definitely a lot better than just that right there.
Yeah, sorry I couldn't film more of it. First she said no filming during the tour, then especially no long YouTube videos like Snapchat or TikTok or something like that, shorts. So that's why I did the shorts.
And we'll try to add some pictures in there.
Yeah. Anyway, love you guys. Love each and every one of you. Hit that notification bell. If you want to support the channel, there's the thanks tab. And if you like the video, we'd appreciate it if you throw a couple bucks our way. This stuff all costs money. But anyway, love you guys, and we will see you
on our next adventure.
See you in a few days.
This day, a one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of